Subaru Forester vs Nissan X-Trail full comparison. Most people get this wrong, but choosing between a Subaru Forester and a Nissan X-Trail comes down to understanding performance, features and value. You won't believe how different these SUVs feel on the road. Starting with performance, the Subaru Forester is powered by a standard 2.5-litre engine with symmetrical all-wheel drive, giving it excellent handling in wet and snowy conditions. The X-Trail, on the other hand, offers a 2.5-litre engine with optional all-wheel drive, which provides a slightly softer ride, but less off-road capability compared to the Forester. Inside, both SUVs offer spacious cabins, but the Forester emphasises practicality with a simple, functional interior, large windows, and a slightly higher driving position. The X-Trail focuses on comfort with plush seats and a more refined dashboard. Cargo space is comparable, though the X-Trail allows flexible seating configurations for extra versatility. Fuel efficiency favours the Forester slightly, with an average of 29 miles per gallon combined, while the X-Trail averages around 27 miles per gallon. Safety is another strong point for the Forester, which comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning and pre-collision braking. The surprising truth is that many buyers underestimate the Forester's off-road capabilities. While the X-Trail is suitable for city driving and family trips, the Forester handles rugged terrain with confidence. In conclusion, choose the Subaru Forester if you value all-weather performance, safety tech, and off-road ability. Opt for the Nissan X-Trail if comfort, interior refinement, and versatile seating are your priorities. Both are solid SUVs, but understanding these key differences will help you pick the one that matches your lifestyle.